Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Bushido Brown. Your mama's brother, baby mama's son. Back with another reaction video. Today we doing Carrie Underwood Church Bells. Church Bells, because I like the other song, Two Black Cadillacs. That was alright right there. That was pretty cool. That was alright with me. I like the Two Black Cadillacs. And she kind of scared me too with that Christine stuff going on. But anyway, we doing two church bells. Ain't two church bells. We doing church bells. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the video. And let's get into Carrie Underwood Church Bells. This is a concert? I thought it'd be a concert or something. She gonna wear that? What's going on? I don't know now. I ain't gonna be able to react to this video. I'm gonna have car boots on. Oh. Let me go back for a second. I like them speakers. Let me go back for a second. Go back right here. I like them speakers. Oh. Getting a little curvy in here. Got a little hot for a second. Look at that little dress that lady got on. I ain't gonna be able to listen to this song while you want me the little skirt on.
Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all right.
Bro, I'm sorry. Look, I ain't gonna be able to react to this video right there. I'm gonna keep this same dress on now because I'm a little perverted. You know, I'm sorry. I'm perverted. I'm a look. I'm sorry. I'm a look. God damn it. I'm itching like crackhead. Push it down. Push the pervert out. Push the pervert out. All right, let me get back to it. Come on, Carrie Underwood.
He had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. But she was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing.
Hey, look at this outfit. Who is that? Who is that up on top of the speaker? I don't even know who that is right there. We got people out on top of the speaker, on top of the speakers over here, bro. I don't know what's going on. Who is that? I don't know who that is. A minute. I had to carry in this little. But anyway, yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, let me keep this video going.
Bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.
Get a church bell ringing.
Jenny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night, after a few too many, he came home ready to fight, and all his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses, and that next morning.
So he beating her up? That what he beating her up? Oh, she done married a woman beater. She done married a woman beater. Yeah, heard them church bells. You married that man with that money. Now he beating you up. He Carrie Underwood concert kind of crop too. These folks is lit in here. Go back.
His money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses, and that next morning, sitting in the back pew praying with the Baptists, she could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. You just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.
Uh-oh. Hey, Carrie Underwood concert is an event, ain't it? Damn. See, this sad. I don't know if it's sad to say, but I want to go to one. I want to go there. I want to go there. Oh, they got different concerts next together. Okay.
Jenny slipped something in his Tennessee whiskey. No lawman was ever gonna find, and how he died is still a mystery. But he hit a woman for the very last time.
Oh.
She could hear those church bells.
So she heard the church bell ring at the beginning when she got married, and then he started beating her up. Then she slipped them old Mickey and gave him. Ooh! Now she hear the church bell ring again at the funeral. At the funeral, like the old folks say, at the funeral. Oh my God! Carrie Underwood got a dark theme to all her songs so far. I done looked at. She kind of spooky. White women is violent.
She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. You're standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.
All right, man. Look, that was Carrie Underwood Church Bells. Like I said before, man, Carrie Underwood kind of got a dark side or something, bro. That woman always talking about doing folks in, unaliving people. She always doing somebody in. First it was the church. First the two black Cadillacs I looked at, now the church bell. I just watched a video a few minutes ago with Reba McEntire blowing somebody up on the boat. Man, what's wrong with these women, man? Oh my, man, I don't know. Eyes just don't know, boss. Eyes just don't know. I'm scared of these white women. Y'all scary. Y'all white women scary. Y'all, man, every video I see y'all killing somebody or something. Y'all need to talk to y'all people, man. Hey, man, look, don't forget, man, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the video. Until next time, I'm out. Peace out, cousins. My mother cousins.